Welcome back to all the greats. I hope everyone is doing amazing. Y'all might see me in the same outfit. That's because I shot like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos in this one, you know, today, because I'm in the mood. You know, you gotta be in the mood to do things. So yeah, let's get into the video, okay guys? So I was just standing outside. I just came back from the park. I was just standing outside and I felt compelled, moved to share with you guys some of my affirmations. So I'm just out on my balcony. This is my view. So I'm in the back by the woods, looking at the trees. The trees are finally starting to blossom. The sun is shining above me. So I'm just out here saying a little bit of affirmations, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of the affirmations that I do say, and my affirmations have helped me in so many ways. So I'm just gonna share some affirmations. Gratitude. Thank you, God, for life. Thank you, God, for the trees that provide oxygen. Thank you, God, for continuously showing me and guiding me to the woman that I'm supposed to be. Thank you, God, for keeping me in alignment with my higher self. Thank you, God, for connecting me to my tribe that is in alignment with my higher self. Thank you, God, for all of my spirit guides, for all of the signs, the symbols, and I ask that you continue to show me and continue to guide me, continue to open my eyes where I'm able to receive all of your messages that you have in store for me. I hope this doesn't fall, because imagine, oh God, I'm not gonna put this up here. I'm in a constant state of attracting all of the good that I deserve and I desire. Thank you, God, for showing me that life is full of freedom and options, that I should live a life full of freedom and options, and that everything that I want and I desire, that God desires. Thank you, God, for showing me that life is supposed to be full of freedom and options and abundance when I didn't grow up in an environment where I was taught that or where I was shown that. So I thank you, God, for leading me into this direction. Thank you, God, for the woman that I am becoming, for the woman that I am today, okay? Thank you, God, for trauma, for healing trauma. Because, you know, you don't really know, or you can't really ascend if you don't know what's wrong with you. So that's why I always say thank you, God, not for trauma, but thank you, God, that I'm able to acknowledge and heal from trauma. And I'll do more videos. You guys let me know if you want to see more videos like this. This video is gonna be real short, cute, sweet, and simple, okay? Let me know if you guys are interested in this kind of content. Can't talk. Look at the Loc babes, okay? Don't play with them, period. Nah, but let me know if you guys want to see more content like this. My healing journey has been something else, okay? It's been a roller coaster. I honestly have every reason to hate, to be miserable, to just be a nasty person, and to hate everyone, and to hate the world, and, you know, to not believe, not to trust, all these things. And honestly, healing is a choice. Healing is a choice. Healing is a choice, okay? Healing is a choice. You can't force anyone to heal. You can't ask anyone to heal. What are these, hornets? I don't know, they're flying around. Gotta keep an eye on them. But you know, healing is a choice, and you can either choose to heal or you can choose to be defined by your circumstances. And I decided to heal. I decided that I didn't want to live my life like that, like being upset and angry, always wanting to fight, always wanting to curse people out. Like I've been that girl, okay? Okay, healing is a choice. You can't force anyone to heal. You can't ask anyone to heal. What are these, hornets? I don't know, they're flying around. Gotta keep an eye on them. But you know, healing is a choice, and you can either choose to heal or you can choose to be defined by your circumstances. And I decided to heal. I decided that I didn't want to live my life like that, like being upset and angry, always wanting to fight, always want to curse people out. Like I've been that girl, okay? Let me know, okay? And I'm from Brooklyn, okay? I'm from the Flossy. Shout out to all my okay. Like, you know, like I've experienced all of that. I've been that girl, always talking about somebody. I've been all of those things, and the place I'm in today, like little Kayla would be so proud, like honestly. All right, but yeah, so look, I'm getting a little emotional again. I get so emotional when I think about my growth and my progress thus far in life, and I'm just super grateful. Ooh. All right, y'all, so, and just being able to like show up as my authentic self. Like I was that girl who wore makeup every day, makeup to the gym, wigs and stuff. So just to be able to accept me for who I am, whew. No matter what anybody thinks of me, no matter, I come from a Caribbean background, so they're very, you know, if you have Caribbean parents, they're very, ooh. Hold on, y'all, hold on. The lashes are burning because the tears are coming. Hold on. Oh. All right, we're back. So Caribbean parents are very stuck in their ways, very judgmental. Thank you, God, for showing me who I truly am. Thank you. Thank you. Always give gratitude. I learned to give gratitude, especially when I sit back and I think about, even I always used to journal. I love to write. So even when I think about how I used to journal when I was younger, it will always be like, oh, I can't wait to shit on my family because they don't understand me and blah blah blah. But even though it was like negative, and when I sit back and think about it, everything that I've ever wanted in life, God made sure that I got it the most harmonious ways, even when I didn't see it as that. Okay, y'all, I didn't even plan on doing this video. Like, I don't even cry. Especially not in public, okay? But so yeah, you guys let me know. I'll share more about my healing journey and the trauma that I did face, because I believe that it will help a lot of women, a lot of girls, a lot of young women. I believe that it will help them. I'm just super grateful to finally be on the right path. It's like, these are tears of joy. Like, I'm just so grateful. All right, y'all, so I have to edit some videos because my memory card is telling me I don't have any more space. So I have to edit some more videos. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more content like this, where I just, you know, share my healing journey. And it's so crazy, y'all, because I woke up in a shitty mood. Okay, let's call it what it is. I woke up in a shitty mood, and I'm an Aries and I'm a woman. Hormones, emotions, all that, okay? So my emotions be all over the place. I be having 15 moods in one hour, okay? I can't, okay? Sometimes I can't deal with myself. But these are things that I do to keep my energy aligned, to keep my vibrations high. Because like I said, I was a person who walked around angry and upset at the world, and I did not know why until I connected with my trauma and accepted myself for all of me, the good, the bad, the ugly, you know, yin and yang. This is a Thai banana, guys. So quick sidebar, this is a real banana. So real bananas, they have seeds in them, and as you can see, this is how small the banana is. Like, I'm gonna put the peel up so y'all can see. These are real bananas. So they make the big bananas out of these bananas, and these have seeds in them. So yeah, go to your local farmers market. They should have them. They're called Thai bananas. They have other kinds as well. But yeah, so yeah. Especially with social media and stuff, guys, and all the shit. Life could get hard. life can get overwhelming, but it's so important to me. Like, I have to do it. Just connect, show gratitude to myself, show gratitude to the creator, all the things. Views. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all see the sun? Get out and enjoy the sun, okay? If it's nighttime and you watching this, do it in the morning. And if it's daytime, go outside, step outside, enjoy the sun. Say thank you to the sun for bringing life to everything, for all the plants, all the things, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all already know, keep being great, keep being popping, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.